Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Cloudinary assets used in your no-code app, full guide step by step clearly. To backup Cloudinary assets used in your no-code app, start by logging into your Cloudinary account. Navigate to the Media Library section from your dashboard. Here, you will see all your assets displayed. Identify the assets you wish to backup. For individual asset downloads, click on the asset to open its details. Look for the download option, usually represented by a downward arrow. Click the download button to save the asset to your local device. For bulk downloads, select multiple assets by checking the boxes next to them. Once selected, look for the Bulk Actions menu at the top of the page. Choose the download option from the Bulk Actions menu. Your selected assets will be compressed into a zip file for easier download. Next, check your email for a download link if prompted by Cloudinary. After downloading, locate the zip file on your device and extract its contents. If you have a large number of assets, consider using Cloudinary's API for efficient handling. Visit the Cloudinary API documentation to find relevant routes for asset exporting. Implement a script in your preferred programming language to automate the backup process. Ensure your script includes authentication credentials for your Cloudinary account. Use the appropriate API endpoint to retrieve asset metadata and download URLs. Schedule regular backups by setting up a cron job or a similar scheduler. Store the downloaded assets in a secure location on your device or cloud storage. Finally, verify that all desired assets have been successfully backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.